Well, when you need 14 ducks left for your limit and 100 teal come in,
you do it in 2 minutes.
You do it in 2 minutes. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Cajun Girl Outdoors. It's me, Joey. I'm with Owen and Matt today. And we're in the roseau patches hiding from these ducks. We got a big old spread out. And we're going to try to get some teal and some gray ducks today. It's almost shooting time, so y'all stay tuned.
Hell yeah.
Good shot, oh.
Hell yeah.
Oh my God, you saw that thing just sounded like a jet plane coming over. Gray duck down. First duck of the morning. Shoot it, Matt. Damn, I don't like they coming over the back. Second duck down for Owen. Come over the back again.
Green wings.
Oh.
Green wings, small left block.
Finally got to shoot a shot. Pair of green wings just came land. There's one right there, the drake. We busted them. We got both of them, so now we got 4 ducks, 2 big ducks, 2 teal. Slow morning. Seems like a lot of the ducks left, but we're still getting some to trickle in. Hey, duck! Double tapped him. Oh, look at that duck. Flying away. And there's some teal too. Look, teal. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, Owen. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, coming in. I got 2 out of that. Shoot this cripple. Oh my God. How many y'all got? Oh, look, they're still flying back there. All right, I got 4 ducks now. Oh my God. I just need 2 more. Oh my God. Green wings everywhere. Look at the front. There's flocks of teal everywhere. Look at the back.
Look, coming in.
Holy sh! I got 1. I need 1 more duck.
You see him? Give me a shot, Teal. Give me a shot. See his head. Yeah.
I need 1 more duck, y'all. Oh my gosh. I gotta shoot this one. You wanna shoot that one? All right. I need 1 more duck. This is crazy. We just have teal everywhere. We need 1 more flock, bro.
No,
look.
Oh my God, they're everywhere.
I'm limited. I need to finish that one. I just limited out, so I'm done. Do we have any cripples to shoot?
Right here.
Oh my God, y'all.
right in the front.
We done. We limited. There's one right there, and there's a drake next to right there in the decoys.
Yeah, that's the limit. You gotta stop hunting.
100 teal just came in, and we all just limited. Green wings.
Wait, where's the last one? Look at the dude.
This is a stud. Yee. Well, when you need 14 ducks left for your limit and 100 teal come in,
you do it in 2 minutes.
You do it in 2 minutes. And we all shot our 6 birds. Look at that. Look how many stud green wings we got. Dude. Couple big ducks for Owen, but when teal wanted in, they came right in. That's our blind hiding in the rosal patch, and 18 birds. We shot like 14 birds in like 5 minutes. There was huge piles of teal everywhere, so now we're about to pick up and head back to the camp. We're done with our hunt. We wrapped it up, and just to recap, we had about 4 birds down, and it was looking slow. And it was looking like all the birds from our last cold front pushed out. About 4 or 5 days ago, we had a huge push of fresh ducks, and it was just ducks all over our release. But it didn't seem that way today. But I think with the wind, the teal were just piled up and sitting, and they weren't flying this morning. They probably fed all night. We had a full moon last night, so it's gonna be like that. But then we had 100, maybe more teal just pouring in, bouncing all around. And literally in under 5 minutes, 5 minutes maybe, we finished off our limit. We shot like 14 ducks, and each of us shot our 6. It was perfect, honestly. We shot good, and we got a whole bunch of green wings, 2 blue wings, and 2 gray ducks was the mix of birds. So it's a good bag. We love those green wings, especially those big flocks that wanted to come right in. We shot good. We did what we had to do. Freaking another awesome hunt for us here. Our second split has been really, really awesome and so much fun.
Well, that's going to wrap up this quick hunt. Thank y'all for watching as always, and stay tuned. We got a few more awesome duck hunts left until the season ends here. So stay tuned for the next hunt right here on Cajun Girl Outdoors.